Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech. So in yesterday I tried to log in my Instagram account via my Android mobile, but unfortunately this Instagram team suspended my Instagram account due to community guidelines. So I decided to appeal to the suspended action, but after the few days I tried to open my Instagram mobile app, but my bad time it only shows the same message: you submitted an appeal. So I don't know how long this process may takes and how to recover my suspended Insta account. At same time, some users are asked to me, is there is possible to contact this Insta support team? So my answer is yes, this is possible. And here I show the two methods to contact this Insta support team. And the first method is by sending the request via email. So just get this Insta support team email from Insta app page in Play Store and simply tap on it, and my Gmail app is opening. So here you can briefly explain about your issue, and also don't forget to put your login credentials. So once you type your problem and click to send this email, and this is one of the way to contact this Insta support team. And the another method is just open your Chrome browser and search this keyword. My Instagram account was deactivated. So here you can click to access this link. So here you can select no and select other. So same way you can briefly explain about your issue, and also don't forget to put your login credentials, and finally click to submit your request. So I hope these both of the two methods will help to you. So if maybe these methods are not working, just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech. And thanks for watching.